Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about, in fact I'm gonna show you some of the coloring book ideas, and these coloring books are selling well onto the Amazon. So we will again going to hop onto my laptop at the back and we're going to look at the various different coloring books, and is for the kids and for the adults as well, and looking for the different niches, what they are targeting and how much they are making each month online, what are the book sales and various details regarding the KDP. So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end. And before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. And also if you want the freebies, the free stuffs for getting started with making money online, then I have the bunch of freebies, the link in the description box below. It contains the free graphics, the free print on demand guide, the free KDP interiors, and there are so many free stuffs. The link is in the description box below. You can download it and can use them. So let's hop onto my laptop and we will going to talk about those exciting, amazing coloring books that are making much of the dollars each month. We are on the Amazon and now I'm gonna search for the coloring books. So we're just gonna go the coloring books in the search bar, and we're just gonna search for the coloring books and we're gonna see which books are making is how much. So this one book we have already seen in one of my other videos that I made a few days back. You can check out that video in the card section above. So I won't be going into this book. So we're just gonna pick up some other book. And yeah, so we're just gonna see this one. I am a confident, brave and beautiful, a coloring book for girls. So let me just click over this book and see what is their sales rank, how much they could be making, and what we can take an inspiration. So it's a beautiful coloring book for the girls. Okay, 22 pages coloring book encourage girls to think beyond social conventions, inspire conversations with adults about what it really matters to be confident, brave, and beautiful. So let me just scroll down and see their sales rank. Okay, so this book only have 24 pages, ranking 103 in the total in books, which is awesome. So let me just go over to the TCK Publishing, this one, and we're just gonna type 103 over here, and this one is the book, and click on the calculate sales. So they are having the sales per month 9537. So let me just take my calculator, and okay, this is my calculator. So let me just see what is the cost of that book. The cost of the book is $6.99. $6.99 into 9537. So 6.99 into 9537. So that's equals to, wow, 66,663.63. So which is pretty awesome guys. They are making this much amount of money each month. And now this is not an exact, TCK Publishing is not an 100% perfect guys. You can see there could be some sort of errors, there could be some sort of variation. So it's not 100% perfect, but we can get an idea that how much some particular book are selling, like what they are making each month. And yeah, so we can get an idea. It's not 100% perfect guys, so keep that thing in mind. It's not perfect, we are just taking an idea how much this book is making onto the Amazon. So that is this book we have covered. And this one is I'm confident, brave and beautiful. Now this one was having ads on that book, so we're just gonna look for some other book as well. Now this is for the girls, that is only. So let me just scroll down guys. 100 Flowers adult coloring book. Now this one is the adult coloring book, but let me see some other book. Okay, 100 Baby Animals coloring book. So there are so many coloring books in the bestseller guys, and you can see they have various different niches. That one was for the girls. Now this one is having a baby animals. Let's see how much this book is making. So they have the 100 baby animals. So I guess that it will be having 100 pages.
100 Baby Animals, a coloring book featuring 100 incredibly cute and lovable baby animals from forests, jungles, oceans, and farms for hours of coloring book. So let me just scroll down. And they are having 206 pages, and we're just gonna see their bestseller rank, that is 2339. Just copy this one, come over to here. So it's somewhere, wait a minute, let me remove this one. And since it's a book, calculate sales. So 1183. Now let me see their price so we can get an idea how much this book is making. 8.99. So let me multiply 8.99 into 1183. So 8.99 into 1183. So 10,635. Awesome. So you can get a rough idea that they could be making around from 9,000 to 11,000. You can get a rough idea how much they are making. Now let me see some other book, and this one is a baby animals. Let me see inside the book how it's looking. So if I just see the inside book, guys, okay, this one is the coloring pages. So this book belongs to sample coloring pages. So these are the some of the sample coloring pages. You can see these are the pages they were having, the small cute animals for coloring for the kids. So you can take an idea that this particular niche in the coloring book is selling well. You can also use this particular niche and can target a keyword which is less competitive and can use them. Now we'll just see another book in some different niche on the coloring book. Now and creepy coloring book. This one is again unicorn, mermaids, and rainbows. Let me see some other different coloring book. This one is again animals, the Disney Dreams collection, Disney Princess coloring book. Big Bungo. Okay. This is the stress releasing book for the adults. So you can see they have targeted the various different niches. So let me just see this one. Now the 123 things, big and jumbo coloring book, 123 coloring pages, easy, large, giant, simple picture coloring books for toddlers, kids age 2 to 4. Now they are using the keywords in the title, guys. You can see they are using the keywords very well in the title. So let me just see, they're selling for $6.99. So how many pages they have? 124 pages, and the rank is 387. Okay, so just hover over to here and 387, and let me just calculate the sales. 4197. 4197 multiplied by 6.99. So let me just pick up a calculator. 6.99 into I just forget that. 4197. 4197 equals to, wow, 29,337. So you can take an idea, like it's selling between the 28,000 to $30,000 each month, which is pretty amazing for this kind of coloring book. So let me see what they have in this coloring book. So look inside this coloring book and what we can take an idea. So this is the volume 1. So I guess they are having the different volumes. So these are the cute animals. Oh, wow. This book belongs to... That's it, guys. This book is quite simple, and you can see this is kind of like the simple coloring pages they have. The simple artworks, not much complicated, but in the earlier we saw that animal coloring book which was having uh, much more detailing in comparison to this book. This book is, get an idea, guys. We have seen the 3 coloring books and they're selling pretty amazing. So you can pick up that niche. This one is again flowers, adult coloring book. Now coloring books for stress relief, you can see this one as well in your book. So these are the 3 books that we have seen, and you can, the list goes on, and you can just keep on scrolling down and look for other niches and other categories. So that,
I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Are you selling the coloring books or not? Are you making it or not? I would really love to talk to you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.